Hey guys, this is Dion. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing another DIY video. If you haven't seen my last video, click on the link below. Today we'll be transforming this beautiful free piece that we got from Craigslist into a cat tree slash scratcher. First of all, we'll be painting this piece with a flat paint white. I chose white specifically because white looks so clean. And it's easier to clean also, and you can easily notice stuff when your cat like smudge stuff on it. Then after letting it dry for 3 hours, we're gonna apply another coating of the paint into the piece to give it more like a solid white look rather than a chalked look. This is my favorite part of the makeover, is to wrap the manila rope into the piece. We will be using a Gorilla Wood glue. Make sure to apply a good amount of the glue into the first part of the rope. Make sure to hold it in for like 2 to 3 minutes till it's really secured, and then start wrapping it tightly around the piece. Next is the leg part of the side table, because it will serve as the scratching post for cats and kittens. Now this is the finished product. If I do say so myself, I believe that I really did a good job. It looks really beautiful and pretty neat, and we only spent like $20 on this piece. I really saved a lot of money instead of like buying a real cat condo or cat tree. So guys, if you have like your old side tables, you can do a makeover in it for your beloved cats and kitties. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.